Primo Melter Troubleshooting Guide. Unit heats slowly or unevenly, or does not heat at all. If this occurs the first few times or after a period of inactivity, there may be a low megone condition. Heaters may absorb moisture from the environment. This prevents the heater from operating at maximum efficiency until the unit is used several times and moisture is evaporated out. Make sure you keep the lid on while heating to reduce heat loss and create more uniform heating. Make sure the green out light on the control comes on. If not, then the temperature needs to be set. Make sure the unit is not on an extension cord, power strip, or on a line with other appliances. If you burned any material or noticed any discoloration inside the tank, try scrubbing it clean like a stainless steel pan, since the sensors will be unable to work. Make sure the unit is properly calibrated as instructed on page 4 of your manual. If your room is cold, or you're using a unit near an open door, window, fan, humidifier, air conditioner, etc., the unit may heat slower or take more time. You may have to raise the temperature of the unit to compensate for heat loss. If you need additional assistance, please contact us at 1-888-WaxMelters extension 2 or email support@waxmelters.com.